Exploring the benefits of plant-based proteins.
Welcome to NutriNourish Hub, where we delve into the world of nutrition and uncover the secrets behind optimal health. In today's video, we will be exploring the incredible benefits of plant-based proteins. Are you ready to discover how these power-packed sources of nutrition can transform your well-being? Join us as we reveal the potential of plant-based proteins to lower the risk of chronic diseases while being a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. From mouth-watering recipes to understanding bioavailability and digestibility, this video is your key to unlocking the world of plant-centric nutrition. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to fuel your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started.
Plant-based proteins offer a diverse range of essential amino acids, promoting optimal nutrition and supporting overall health.
Plant-based proteins have gained significant attention in recent years due to their ability to offer a diverse range of essential amino acids, thereby promoting optimal nutrition and supporting overall health. These proteins, derived from sources such as legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds, provide an array of benefits that contribute to a well-rounded diet. One notable advantage of plant-based proteins is their ability to offer a wide spectrum of amino acids. While some individual plant-based sources may lack certain amino acids, combining different plant proteins can help to create a complete amino acid profile. For example, legumes such as beans and lentils are low in the amino acid methionine, but when combined with grains like rice or quinoa, which are rich in methionine, they form a complementary protein source. This strategic pairing ensures that the body receives all the essential amino acids it needs for various physiological processes. Moreover, plant-based proteins are often accompanied by other beneficial nutrients. Many plant protein sources are low in saturated fats and cholesterol, making them heart-healthy alternatives to animal-based proteins. Furthermore, plant-based proteins are typically rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which contribute to enhanced overall health. These additional nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining energy levels, supporting immune function, promoting healthy digestion, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. In addition to their nutritional benefits, plant-based proteins also have a lower environmental impact when compared to animal-derived proteins. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By opting for plant-based protein sources, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable food system. Moreover, plant-based proteins require less land and water resources, making them a more efficient and environmentally friendly option. In conclusion, plant-based proteins offer a diverse range of essential amino acids, promoting optimal nutrition and supporting overall health. By combining different plant protein sources, individuals can ensure a complete amino acid profile. Plant-based proteins are accompanied by other beneficial nutrients, are heart-healthy, and have a lower environmental impact. Introducing more plant-based protein sources into our diets can be a positive step towards achieving better personal health and sustainability.
Exploring the benefits of plant-based proteins reveals their potential to lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes.
Exploring the benefits of plant-based proteins unveils their remarkable potential in lowering the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. Numerous studies and research findings have shed light on the mechanisms underlying these beneficial effects. By incorporating plant-based proteins into our diets, we can actively work towards improving our overall health and well-being. One key factor contributing to the risk reduction of chronic diseases is the lower intake of saturated fats commonly associated with plant-based proteins. Animal-based proteins, such as those from red meat and dairy products, tend to be higher in saturated fats, which are known to contribute to conditions such as high cholesterol levels and cardiovascular diseases. In contrast, sources of plant-based proteins, such as legumes, nuts, and seeds, are significantly lower in saturated fats and can assist in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing the risk of heart disease. Another significant aspect is the wealth of antioxidants found in numerous plant-based proteins. Antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, carotenoids, and flavonoids, play a crucial role in protecting our bodies against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are underlying factors in the development of chronic diseases. By consuming plant-based proteins rich in antioxidants, we can enhance our body's defense mechanisms and lessen the risk of diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. Furthermore, plant-based proteins often come with high levels of dietary fiber, which also contributes to the prevention of chronic diseases. Fiber promotes healthy digestion, aids in regulating blood sugar levels, and helps to maintain a healthy weight. By incorporating sufficient fiber through plant-based protein sources, we can effectively support our body's natural mechanisms and reduce the risk of developing diabetes and other metabolic disorders. In addition to these specific benefits, the overall nutritional profile of plant-based proteins offers a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that contribute to a healthy body and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Many plant-based protein sources are rich in vitamins B, folate, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are essential for maintaining proper bodily function and supporting overall well-being. In conclusion, exploring the benefits of plant-based proteins reveals their potential to lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. The lower intake of saturated fats, the presence of antioxidants, and the abundance of dietary fiber are all factors contributing to these positive effects. By incorporating plant-based proteins into our diets, we can proactively take steps towards a healthier lifestyle and decrease the likelihood of developing chronic diseases that can significantly impact our quality of life.
The environmental impact of plant-based proteins is significantly lower compared to animal-based counterparts, making them a sustainable choice for conscious consumers.
The environmental impact of plant-based proteins is a significant factor that makes them a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. Compared to their animal-based counterparts, plant-based proteins have a considerably lower carbon footprint. One compelling reason for this is that the production of plant-based proteins requires fewer resources, such as land, water, and feed, which translates to reduced greenhouse gas emissions and less strain on the environment. A prominent example of the environmental benefits of plant-based proteins lies in the comparison between the water footprint of plant-based protein sources and that of animal-based protein sources. Producing a pound of beef, for instance, requires an astonishing 1,800 gallons of water, while the production of a pound of soybeans only needs approximately 220 gallons. This stark contrast highlights that opting for plant-based proteins is a sustainable choice, as it greatly reduces water consumption and mitigates the strain on water resources, especially in regions prone to water scarcity. Moreover, plant-based proteins contribute significantly less to deforestation and habitat destruction. The large-scale production of animal-based proteins often leads to the clearing of vast areas of land for grazing and feed crop cultivation. This not only impacts natural ecosystems but also contributes to the loss of biodiversity. On the other hand, plant-based protein sources, such as legumes and grains, require significantly less land and can be cultivated more efficiently, leaving more room for the preservation and restoration of natural habitats. Another compelling aspect is the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by shifting towards plant-based proteins. Animal agriculture, particularly the production of beef and dairy products, accounts for a substantial portion of global greenhouse gas emissions. Rearing animals for meat and dairy production requires extensive amounts of energy, feed, and water resources, all of which contribute to the emission of greenhouse gases, including methane and carbon dioxide. By replacing animal-based proteins with plant-based alternatives, we can effectively lower greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. In conclusion, the environmental impact of plant-based proteins is significantly lower compared to animal-based counterparts, making them a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. From reducing water consumption and deforestation to minimizing greenhouse gas emissions, plant-based protein sources present a more environmentally friendly option. By opting for plant-based proteins, we can actively contribute to the preservation of natural resources, promote biodiversity, and play a part in mitigating the effects of climate change.
Plant-based proteins are highly versatile and can be incorporated into various delicious recipes, providing a wide array of options for those looking to adopt a plant-based diet.
Plant-based proteins offer a remarkable level of versatility, presenting numerous possibilities for incorporating them into a wide range of delicious recipes. Their adaptability makes them an excellent choice for individuals seeking to adopt a plant-based diet. From breakfast to dinner and everything in between, plant-based proteins can be seamlessly integrated into various dishes, providing both nutrition and culinary enjoyment. One fascinating fact about plant-based proteins is the diversity of sources available. Legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are excellent sources of protein and can be used in countless recipes. They can be transformed into hearty soups, flavorful curries, or even meatless burgers. Tofu and tempeh, derived from soybeans, are renowned for their versatility and ability to take on different flavors and textures. These soy-based proteins can be grilled, stir-fried, marinated, or blended to create delectable dishes like tofu scramble, crispy tempeh tacos, or creamy vegan cheesecake. Additionally, grains like quinoa, amaranth, and farro, while not solely protein-focused, contain significant amounts of plant-based protein. They can be used as a base for salads, pilafs, or Buddha bowls, providing a satisfying and wholesome meal. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds, are not only rich in healthy fats and essential nutrients but also contribute to the overall protein content of plant-based meals. They can be sprinkled over salads, added to smoothies, or used as toppings for vegan desserts. Plant-based protein powders, often derived from sources like peas, hemp, or brown rice, have gained popularity as a convenient way to supplement dietary protein intake. These powders can be easily incorporated into smoothies, baked goods, or energy balls, providing an extra protein boost to support an active lifestyle or specific dietary needs. Moreover, the versatility of plant-based proteins allows for the exploration of international cuisines. Whether it's the savory flavors of Mediterranean cuisine with chickpea-based falafels and hummus or the vibrant spices of Indian cuisine with lentil-based dals and vegetable curries, plant-based proteins offer a world of culinary possibilities. In summary, plant-based proteins offer a diverse range of options when it comes to creating delicious recipes. From legumes and grains to nuts, seeds, and protein powders, there is no shortage of sources to choose from. These versatile proteins can be used to prepare an array of mouthwatering meals, enabling individuals to enjoy flavors from various cuisines while adopting a plant-based diet. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, plant-based proteins provide an abundance of choices that are both nutritious and enjoyable.
Understanding the bioavailability and digestibility of plant-based proteins empowers individuals to make informed choices and optimize their protein intake in a plant-centric diet.
Understanding the bioavailability and digestibility of plant-based proteins is key to making informed choices and optimizing protein intake in a plant-centric diet. It allows individuals to ensure they are obtaining adequate amounts of essential amino acids and maximizing the utilization of plant-based protein sources by their bodies. By delving into the details of bioavailability and digestibility, we can appreciate how different factors affect protein absorption and utilization. One interesting aspect to consider is the amino acid profile of plant-based proteins. While animal-based proteins are considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids needed by the body, plant-based proteins can be classified as incomplete proteins. However, when a variety of plant-based protein sources are combined strategically, such as incorporating legumes with grains or nuts with whole grains, a complementary amino acid profile is achieved. This combination ensures that all essential amino acids are consumed, allowing the body to effectively utilize the protein obtained from plants. Another factor that influences the bioavailability and digestibility of plant-based proteins is the presence of anti-nutritional factors. These naturally occurring compounds, such as phytates or lectins, can inhibit the absorption of certain nutrients, including proteins. However, various methods can help mitigate the impact of these compounds. Techniques like soaking, fermenting, or cooking plant-based proteins can enhance their digestibility and reduce the anti-nutritional factors, improving nutrient absorption. Apart from anti-nutritional factors, processing methods also play a significant role in the bioavailability of plant-based proteins. For example, refining grains can remove the outer layers, which often contain valuable nutrients and fiber. On the other hand, minimal processing, such as sprouting or grinding whole grains into flour, helps retain the nutrient content and enhance digestibility. To optimize protein intake, it is essential to integrate a variety of plant-based protein sources into one's diet. This diversity ensures an extensive range of nutrients while also compensating for any potential limitations of individual protein sources. By incorporating legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and plant-based protein powders into meals and snacks, individuals can enjoy the benefits of different protein profiles, flavors, and textures. In summary, understanding the bioavailability and digestibility of plant-based proteins empowers individuals to make informed decisions regarding their protein intake. By considering amino acid profiles, anti-nutritional factors, processing methods, and diversifying protein sources, individuals can effectively optimize their protein consumption within a plant-centric diet. This knowledge allows for a balanced and nourishing approach to meeting protein needs, ensuring that plant-based proteins are utilized optimally by the body.
Exploring the benefits of plant-based proteins.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the incredible benefits of plant-based proteins. Don't miss out on more inspiring videos like this one on the NutriNourish Hub channel. Subscribe now and give this video a thumbs up to fuel your path towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's continue exploring the world of plant-centric nutrition together.